Alright. Here's a big old 10. Wow, this sucker filled right up. This is a big old 10 horsepower sucker. That hose filled up instantly. There goes Mr. Neil checking on the progress of the water flow. I'm thinking it's gonna be done before you know it. Well, maybe not done before you know it, but sometime soon. The old draining of the pond day. Oh my pond, you always were so filled with weeds. Once it's drained, he's hoping to get in there with his tractor and remove all of that decay from the bottom, which is over here on the side. You can see he's already removed all of that and pushed it up on that side wall. Come get out of the poison ivy. Sorry, someone's in the poison ivy. What I was going to suggest. See, I didn't even have to holler it down. We think alike. Put it underneath. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright. Sorry for the shake. I'm guessing that's it for a little bit. I suppose I could walk over and give you a look at how the water's being pumped out. I think I will. Alright. Go around and down. This way. Alright, this is where I brought you up yesterday, and I'm bringing you down. Freaking crazy dog in front of me. By the way, look at these gorgeous rocks. Are these not the most beautiful boulders? It's all lime. Somebody get out of there. It's poison ivy. Get out. Beautiful. I want them in the yard. Funny, huh? Come on, chum, this way. Okay, this opens right up into the front of the yard. Phew. You can come with me, chum. Stop. Stay. Come on, this way. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Chumley, get over here. Stay. That's it. Walk through all the poison ivy, chum. That's smart. Get up here. Get over here. Get over here. Coming to see the water. Chumley, get up here. Up here. It's all poison ivy down there. Here we go. It's a bigger gusher than yesterday, that's for sure. Look at her go. Beautiful. Alright, let's go down and see what we got down below. Don't you dare go in that water or I'll beat you. This way.
Get over here.
Chumley? No. No.
Over here.
No. No. Get over this way. No. Alright, so this is the roadway. And is there a bank over into that water or no? Is it just muck there? So once
you get over here, you can see where it drops off.
No, chum. No. This way. No. 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 What'd I say? Over here? Drops off?
Drops off right in there, see?
Oh, okay, yeah.
It goes gradual down in there, I hope.
No. You found that there? See what Riley found you, Len? A Nokia. Ooh. No, Tommy, no. It'll be interesting to see how much is removed per hour. Okay. So this is what it looks like down here. This burn tile.
They have to jump so they can't see the bump.
Beautiful rock. Yep. All over here. It's like I said, this is what we're walking on right here. You can see, all lined. We've been scraping it over the last couple of years. Looks like this might have been a jump off point. I think it's pretty deep here. Not sure how much, but pretty sure. Look at how pretty that is. Won't that look nice when it's all uncovered? Actually, we had it uncovered last year. You'd never be able to tell. Just got to keep working at it. Alright, I'm going to sign off for a little bit.